In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on this section called security and privacy. Then scroll again, this time to tap on device unlock. And then tap on face and fingerprint unlock section available here. Now enter your screen lock. Click on face unlock here. And choose setup at the bottom right corner. Finally, hit next. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Tap on done. And then go back. So now when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!